Well, hello there, my realists. How y'all doing today? We just hit 100K. I just posted that on Twitter. So, I was going to do a cooking video anyway, but I guess this is like right on time. So, I may go ahead and put this up today. But today, we're doing chicken and dumplings. So, this is for the people that don't know how to make chicken and dumplings from scratch. I can make them from scratch, but y'all know my time be limited. So, I mess with this brand, the Cajun Spoon. So far, I've loved every dish I've made from them. Y'all gonna see more coming. But, come on, y'all can read the instructions on the back. 2 pounds of chicken thighs, cubed. You don't have to cube them. You could put it like however you want to. Like you may want shredded chicken. You may just want like some more kind of chunks. You could do it how you want. We got our 8 cups of water over in my big pot, and my grandma is calling me, so I'm gonna have to cut this video off in a second. I just finished cooking my thighs. I just put a little seasoning over the top. I baked them at 400 for like 45 minutes to an hour. So once they cool off, I'm gonna chop them down to go over in this mix. I got my can of buttermilk biscuits. You could pick whatever kind you want. I don't recommend you getting like flaky. So probably not that. But I got the grands because this is all they had at the store. So I'm hoping they're gonna turn out right. Because you're gonna end up adding them as your dumplings since you don't want to make dumplings from scratch. On the box, it's gonna tell you to cut your biscuits in like fours. I do mine in maybe like sixes or eights because they puff up really big when they start to cook. So if you don't want like super huge dumplings, you're gonna have to cut them down like more. So with that being said, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna put my chicken on like something to where I can like cut it. I'm gonna start my water boiling and put my seasoning mix over in that so it can start while I, wait to add the chicken. So we'll be back. All right, y'all. So sorry about that interruption, but so basically I took these biscuits, try to get the ones without the butter in them, just plain. That's the only choice I had though, and I just cut them into like eighths for each piece, and then I dropped them over in my pot so they can like puff up. So you only supposed to drop like a few in at a time so they don't stick together. And then you cover the pot and let it simmer for 20 minutes. And you got you some chicken and dumplings. Now what I did forget to mention was after I took the chicken out the stove and let it cool off and cut it up, I put the chicken over with the mix and the liquid. Depending on how much chicken you add, like I'll add more water. I added an extra cup of water because I don't want all that thickness and no like, I guess like juice or liquor as old people say, like on the stuff. But you let that boil with the chicken for 10 minutes, then you start to put the dumplings in. And then of course when it's done, I'll show y'all the finished product. I know this was a quick video, but hopefully y'all enjoyed it anyway.
She can cook a meal, that's great.
Really? Okay, so I'm about to go and I'll be back to show y'all the finished product. All right, my loves, this is the finished product. I did some like, I guess Pillsbury got like new cornbread swirly muffin things now, so I did the cornbread on the side so y'all can see that. I put my chicken and dumplings in like a big bowl so you can see that, like how that dumpling, I cut that in like a 6, and you see how big it is, and these were like the 8th, like they're smaller, but I just wanted to show y'all the different pieces and what it looked like. So that's like quick chicken and dumplings. If you don't know how to make biscuits from scratch and make your own I guess roux or batter or liquid that goes in it yourself, that was like the quick way to do it. So it kind of sucks because I got bad news while I was recording this, but I hope y'all enjoy the video. I'll try to be more active in bringing cooking videos to y'all in the future. I want to try to at least do one a month realistically. I really want to do more than that, but I know one a month at least. But I'm gonna try hard, so y'all y'all pray for me. But yeah, so we got our cornbread muffins. We got some chicken and dumplings. I don't think it looks bad to be quick. I think it looked kind of authentic, you know what I'm saying? But you know, I'll try to put the oof, let me not lie like that because I done already threw the packaging away. But y'all saw it in the video if y'all want to buy it from the store. I got it from everything in the video. I got from Walmart. Everybody pretty much shop at Walmart. I don't know if Target will have it, but um, peace. I'm about to eat this.
You already watched, so you might as well subscribe, please.